Have you ever felt completely lost when people talk about AI? Like, what in the world is a transformer if it's not a robot car? Or what does machine learning actually mean? Do machines go to school? If you've heard words like LLM, neural networks, or prompt engineering, and they just sound like tech gibberish, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a coder or a genius to understand how AI works. In fact, understanding a few key terms can give you a huge head start in this AI powered world, potentially putting you ahead of 99% of people. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the essential AI terms you need to know from A to Z in plain, everyday language. My name is Majdi El Jazmawi from AI Virtus. I'm a computer engineer, and today I'm going to introduce you to the most important AI terms you need to understand, even if you're not a techie. Let's go from A to Z, literally, with key AI terms that will transform your understanding. These are terms that come up in almost every AI conversation, product, or update. Agents or AI agents. Think of them like digital assistants, but smarter. AI agents are models designed to collaborate, make decisions, and solve tasks. Imagine a travel agent that uses tech to book your flights, compare prices, and optimize your schedule. That's the idea, but in code. Bots or chatbots. We all know ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. These are AI chatbots, software that understands natural human language and responds like a real person. They're not just fun, they're practical, replacing everything from virtual assistants to customer service. Computer vision. This is how machines see, literally. Computer vision helps AI understand images and videos, whether it's recognizing faces, reading signs, or analyzing x rays. It's the tech behind image recognition in apps like Google Lens or ChatGPT Vision. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks to dive deep into data. It's what allows AI to do things like translate languages, write code, or even diagnose diseases. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The famous ChatGPT is named after this. Generative, where it creates content. Pre-trained, where it's trained on massive data before you ever use it. Transformer refer to the neural network architecture that makes predictions word by word. This is what powers natural human-like responses. LLM, or Large Language Model. Imagine a massive brain trained on trillions of words. LLMs can understand and generate human language. That's why tools like ChatGPT can answer questions, write essays, and even hold conversations in any language. A real-world example, AI in sales. Let's make this real. For AI, most software was, well, dumb. Take something like Salesforce, one of the biggest CRM platforms out there. The salesperson had to manually log every sales lead, name, email, company, potential deal size, etc. It was slow, manual, and relied heavily on the salesperson's effort. But now, we're entering a new era, intelligent software. Imagine you want to find leads who are CEOs of companies making $1 to $5 million a year, located in Cairo. In the old world, you'd either search LinkedIn or buy a list and qualify each lead by hand. In the AI world, you could give that exact task to an AI agent, a digital salesperson powered by an LLM, or what we know as a large language model. Instead of a human inputting the data, this AI agent can scrape public data across the web, match it to your ideal customer profile, rank each lead based on real-time criteria, even initiate personalized outreach. The LLM gives this agent the intelligence to understand context, evaluate quality, and act on your behalf. So when someone asks, "What's an LLM?" don't just think generative pre trained transformer. Think of a digital salesperson who can find and qualify leads 24/7, smarter and faster than any human ever could. Machine learning. AI's learning engine. It's how machines learn from data, just like a child learning from experience. For example, a robot trained to pick ripe strawberries uses machine learning to recognize the right shape, size, and color of a ripe berry. Natural language processing, or NLP. This is what helps AI understand and respond to you in everyday language. It's why you don't need to speak in code to use AI tools. Just ask your question like you would to a friend. Neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these networks connect neurons of data. They allow AI to recognize patterns and make decisions. It's the backbone of deep learning and most intelligent AI systems. Prompt engineering. The art of talking to AI effectively. Your prompt is your input to an AI model. Prompt engineering is how you craft that input to get the best, most accurate result. Think of it as learning the AI language without needing to code. Tokens. Every word you type into Chat GPT is broken down into tokens. Each token is a chunk of language the AI processes to predict what comes next. Think of tokens like the currency of AI conversation. Transformers. Not the robots from the Transformers movie. This is the technology that makes AI smart. Transformers are the breakthrough architecture that allows AI to understand word context, assign importance to each word, and predict what comes next in a sentence. That's how AI can write entire essays from just one sentence. But where did it all begin? It started with a groundbreaking research paper from Google in 2017 titled "Attention is All You Need." This paper introduced the transformer model, a revolutionary concept that replaced older AI models with something faster, more scalable, and far more accurate at understanding language. The transformer model became the foundation for many modern AI tools, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and others. Without that one research paper, the LLMs we use today wouldn't exist. So every time you chat with AI, generate content, or translate text, it all traces back to that Google Transformer paper. It truly changed everything. If this is helping you finally make sense of AI, like and subscribe to support AI Virtus. Drop a question in the comments, whether you're confused about a term or just curious, and I'll respond personally. You'll find all links and resources mentioned in the description below. Why this matters. AI is changing everything. Here's the thing. AI isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's here now and changing every industry. Finally, the conclusion. Knowledge equals power. Let's quickly recap the key terms. AI agents help complete tasks. Chatbots like ChatGPT talk like humans. Computer vision lets machines see. Deep learning, neural networks, transformers. These power smart decision making. Machine learning teaches AI to learn from data. NLP and prompt engineering let you interact naturally. And LLMs, or AI agent, well, they just might be your next employee. These are just the basics, but mastering them can unlock doors in your career, creativity, and daily life. Again, I'm Mujdil Jazmawi from AI Virtus. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Wishing you all the best as you explore AI.